Alright, let's dive into something that affects every single one of us. How insulin shapes our body's ability to build, store, and use proteins, and why that matters for growth and health. So, picture this. You've just eaten a meal. Your blood is now filled with nutrients, not just carbs and fats, but proteins too. This is where insulin steps in, like a master conductor orchestrating what goes where. First, insulin helps move certain amino acids. Think of these as the building blocks of protein from your blood into your cells. Some amino acids like valine, leucine, and tyrosine get a real VIP treatment. Insulin isn't alone in this. Growth hormone does it too, but they each have their own favorite amino acids. Next, insulin literally switches on the protein-making machinery inside your cells. Without insulin, it's like all the ribosomes, those tiny protein factories, just take a coffee break. With insulin, they snap back to work, translating the blueprints stored in your RNA into brand new proteins. Over time, insulin even tells the cell's DNA to ramp up production. It's like turning up the volume on a playlist of genes that make the enzymes needed to store carbs, fats, and proteins. But there's more. Insulin acts as a shield, stopping your cells from breaking down proteins. It keeps the muscle cells from dumping amino acids back into your blood, helping you hold on to your hard-earned muscle. It does this by dialing down the activity of lysosomes, those tiny recycling centers that would otherwise shred your proteins. And if you're wondering about the liver, insulin steps in there too. It slows down a process called gluconeogenesis, which basically means your liver isn't turning amino acids into extra glucose. This helps conserve those amino acids for building and maintaining your body's protein stores. So, what happens if there's no insulin? Things go downhill fast. Protein storage stops and your body shifts into emergency mode, breaking down muscle and other proteins, flooding your blood with amino acids. These excess amino acids are either burned for energy or turned into glucose, and you end up losing even more through urine as urea. This is one of the most dangerous effects of severe diabetes, leading to weakness and all sorts of organ problems. Finally, here's a cool twist: insulin and growth hormone work together to fuel growth. If you take away either one, growth pretty much grinds to a halt. But put them together, and it's like flipping a switch for healthy development. Each hormone helps cells absorb a unique set of amino acids, and both are needed for real growth. So next time you think about insulin, remember it's not just about sugar, it's a key player in muscle, strength, and growth.